Hi, welcome to this tutorial on correct Celluma positioning. One of the things that's unique about the Celluma device is that it's actually a flexible panel. This is a really important aspect to Celluma and differentiates it from any other panel device on the market. And the reason it's important is the closer you can place your light therapy device to the tissue, the better the cells can absorb the energy. And the more energy that's absorbed by the cells, the faster and better we get results. And that's what light therapy is all about, getting great results for you and for your patients or clients. So this is the part where we're going to demonstrate proper Celluma positioning over the face. Now today we're working with the Celluma Pro. This device is actually sized perfectly for over the face. And the ideal way to use it is to preform it like this into a C shape. I like to then, we have our client or a patient on the bed ready to go with the eyewear in place, and I like to have the patient or client raise the back of their head just ever so slightly and then place it like this, and you can see that perfect C shape, which allows the device to be contoured beautifully around the face so that you get that nice close proximity to maximize the cell's ability to absorb more of the energy, again, for those better results. So at this point we're going to work with the Celluma light and placing it in the ideal position for facial use. So here we have it all set up. Patient is on the bed, eyewear is in place, and the Celluma light is sitting in a pair of Celluma light facial rests. In addition, our practitioners have shared with us that for smaller faces and smaller heads, they often like to roll up a towel and place it directly under the head. As you can see, this allows the smaller head to get even closer to the diodes, and of course we know that this will maximize the cell's ability to absorb the energy, and this will lead to faster and better outcomes and results for you and your clients.